Want to know how to resize image resolution on your Samsung Galaxy S21 FE? So we have two ways how to do it. Firstly, we would need to open our camera. And let's start with the first way. We would need to open settings, which are located at the left upper corner. And then here we would need to find this tab which is named Advanced Picture Options. Click on it and here enable this feature which is named High Efficiency Pictures. This will help you keep a good image quality and also save space by capturing photo mode pictures. So the second way that we can try, we would need to choose the photo that we would like to change the resolution, and here click on this pen to start editing. Then click on this three dots at the right upper corner and choose Resize, and here you can choose a resize range, which is from 20% up to 80%. So for example, I choose 40 and then click done and save. Here you can also choose if you would like to save it over original or not, but let's click save and this is it. Now you know how to save space with the help of image resolution. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.